Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Classical Mechanics by R. Douglas Gregory. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, a body is at rest at a location on the Earth's equator. Find its acceleration due to the Earth's rotation. Within bracket, it is given as a hint that take the Earth's radius at the equator to be 6400 kilometer. Find also the acceleration of the Earth in its orbit around the Sun. Then within the bracket, hint is given that take the Sun to be fixed and regard the Earth as a particle following a circular path with the center, the Sun and radius, 15 into 10 raised to the power 10 meter. 15 into 10 raised to the power 10 meter. Dear students, this is quite simple problem. It is related to centripetal acceleration. Okay. Moreover, as we know that our Earth revolves around the Moon as well as Sun. Around the Moon, it completes its one round in 24 hours, while around the Sun in 1 year, that is to say 365 days. Okay, so we will convert this period into seconds. Then we will apply equation of motion S equal to Vt. From there we will calculate V. Anyhow, now let us move to its solution. But before starting its solution in a proper manner, we are going through a few snapshots which will provide a foundation regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, first snapshot says that distance S is equal to velocity being denoted by u or v multiplied with time t, that is to say S equal to Vt. Okay, S equal to Vt, this formula will be used in this problem. Second snapshot and third snapshot deal with centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is also called radial acceleration. Okay, radial or centripetal, same. So according to this snapshot, centripetal acceleration of a point on a rotating rigid body, a radial RAD, where RAD is written as a subscript of A, is equal to V square over R, where V is linear speed of that point and R is distance of that point from rotation axis, is equal to V square over R is equal to omega square R, where omega is the angular speed of body and R is the same which was in previous step, that is to say distance of that point from rotation axis. Okay, next snapshot is also about centripetal acceleration. We do not go into the detail of this snapshot. Okay, this snapshot it says AC is equal to V square over R. Okay, centripetal acceleration AC is equal to V square over R. Okay, we do not give more time to this snapshot. The next snapshot says useful geometric formulas, areas and volumes. Okay, circumference of a circle C is equal to pi D is equal to 2 pi R. We will use this expression. Okay, we leave this remaining portion of this snapshot. Okay, because we highlight only that value which will be used in this problem. Okay, other useful data. Earth mass this and radius, mean radius is equal to 6.38 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilometer. Actually, dear students, Here in the statement, radius is given as 6400 kilometer, which when converted into meter will become 64 into 5 zeros. Okay. Actually, dear students, purpose of including this snapshot in this video is just to ensure that we are not bound to the value given by statement. Okay. Even if this value is not provided in the statement, we can take this value from such a table, which is an essential part of every book of physics. Okay. So here radius means 6.38 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilometers. Dear students, when we multiply it with 10 raised to the power 3, it becomes 6380. That is to say 6380. So 6380 or 6400 uh, are same, because here after 3 digit is greater than 5, so we will round this figure, that is 3, as 4. So it will be read as 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilogram, and it will become 64 into 5 times 0 meter. Okay. So purpose of including this snapshot in this problem is that even if this value is not provided in the statement, we can take such value from such tables. Okay. Now some description of the situation about revolving of earth around moon and sun. Okay. It takes the earth 24 hours to rotate on its axis and 1 year to revolve around the sun. Okay. The moon revolves around the earth in an average of 27.3 days. Okay. So now 1 day is equal to 1 into 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So 1 day in terms of seconds is equal to 86,400 seconds. Similarly, 1 year is equal to 1 into 365 days into 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds, and in this way 1 year in terms of seconds becomes equal to 31536,000. Okay. Now we are going to solve our problem in a formal manner. Okay. Part A, S equal to Vt. This implies that V is equal to S over T. Here S is equal to 2 pi R. R is provided in the statement, and even if it is not provided in the statement, we can take it from that table which is included as a snapshot. Okay. Divided by T, 1 day's time converted into seconds, 86,400 seconds. Then just simplification, and after simplification we get V equal to 465.18 meter per second. Okay. 465.18 meter per second. Now we are going to solve to find out the centripetal acceleration. Now centripetal acceleration AC is equal to V square over R. V is that value which we have calculated in the above step, and R is that value which is provided in the statement. But even if it is not provided in the statement, we can take this value from such tables, which table has been included in this problem as a snapshot. Okay. So after simplifying, next just simplification, and after simplifying all these steps, we get centripetal acceleration equal to 0.034 meter per second square. Now we are going to solve part second of this problem. Here, dear students, the second part is exactly same as part 1, but only the difference is here that here R is not same as given in first part. Here R differs. Actually, second part is about sun and earth. First was between moon and earth. Okay, one day, first was about 1 day and second is about 365 days, 1 year. So S equal to VT, V equal to S over T equal to 2 pi R over T, and then pi is, you know that pi 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14, and we know that pi is a very special number. Its decimal representation is non-terminating and non-repeating. It goes endlessly. Okay, now value of R which is provided in the statement is 15 into 10 raised to the power 10 meter divided by T time of 1 year. 1 year in terms of seconds has been written as 318 second. Okay, next, just simplification, we get V V equal to 2.99 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter per second, or 29,900 meter per second. Okay, 29900 meter per second. Now we are going to find out centripetal acceleration. Now, centripetal acceleration AC is equal to V square over R. V is that which we calculated in the previous step, and R is that which is given in the statement. In the statement, two R's are given. Okay, one R is that which was also shown through a table in snapshot, while other R is this which is 15 into 10 raised to the power 10 meter. Then just simplification, and after simplifying, just simplification, and finally our centripetal acceleration A becomes equal to 0.00596 meter per second square. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.